the manufacturing sector, which after some period of slowdown is now picking up. But we've had two continuous less than normal monsoons, which pulled down the agricultural growth rate, which in fact impacted purchasing power in the rural areas. Fortunately, West Bengal is blessed with a lot more water than is available to the rest of the country itself. Now, it is in this situation that we are looking forward to a situation where the glory of a state like West Bengal can always be restored back. West Bengal and Kolkata was an industrial hub at one time. It was an industrial ahead of Mumbai also. Policies of the past adversely impacted that. But West Bengal has many assets. The Honorable Chief Minister was just now mentioning about it being the nucleus of being a regional hub. West Bengal has a potential for great agriculture. West Bengal has one of the best human resources in this country. Bengal is known for its razor-sharp minds. Its people are known for their intellect. Its potential to become a hub of services sector, particularly in as much as educational institutions are concerned, is almost obvious. It has a history of having produced some of the best minds in the country. It has a potential for becoming one of the best research centers as far as India is concerned. It also has some parts of a natural resource. And therefore, if Bengal follows a policy which is investment friendly, which is business friendly, I have not the least doubt that the original glory which belonged to the state can always be restored back to the state. Today, while the world faces a grave crisis, we in India are still